Do you love the beach lifestyle? Imagine waking up to the gentle sea breeze, the sound of waves in the distance, and golden sands just a short stroll away. Now picture that life becoming yours with this key-ready ground floor apartment in the prestigious Riomar complex, nestled in the heart of Mil Palmeras. This brand new, modern one-bedroom apartment is perfectly designed for comfort, accessibility, and style. Built to the highest standards in 2024, it features an open-plan living area with a contemporary kitchen, a spacious bedroom, and a fully accessible bathroom. Step outside onto your private 10-square-meter balcony, where you can enjoy the morning sun and fresh coastal air. The apartment also benefits from underground parking and storage, ensuring convenience from the moment you move in. Within the secure, gated community, you'll find a range of premium amenities: a sparkling communal pool, a state-of-the-art gym, wellness areas including a beauty and physiotherapy room, ideally positioned just 1.2 kilometers from the golden sands of Mil Palmeras Beach, and within walking distance of local amenities. This property truly blends coastal charm with modern living. Don't miss the opportunity. This home is ready for you today. Contact us now for more details and take the first step toward your dream lifestyle.